Hey everyone, it's Cat and Lizard and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna make our own dresses out of these old plastic bags that have been lying around the house. So, if you're bored in the house and you're in the house bored, join us in making the best out of waste. From old plastic bags to party girl outfits. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna take my plastic bag, fold it up and cut out the handles and the bottom. And I'm gonna cut it from here, so now we have this nice rectangular piece. I'm gonna do the same with the rest of my plastic bags. I shall start with the skirt. I took these 4 pieces and taped them together and realized that it was too short, so I added these 2 pieces here. Next, I measured my waist and made a belt by simply folding the plastic together. I will take that huge rectangular piece that I made earlier and tape it to the belt, but only from here and here. Now I'm gonna fold and overlap this extra bit that's hanging here and tape it all together. And we're done with the skirt. And when I wear it, I'm gonna tape it from here and here. For the top, I'm gonna take another rectangular piece that I've measured to my body, and because it's too long, I'm gonna fold it from the bottom and tape it. Now I will fold it like this and cut out the holes for the sleeves, or the non-sleeves. Next, I'll unfold it and fold it again in this way to cut out the neckline. Then I'll cut out the hole for the back of the neck and tape the straps of the front and back together. Finally, I made these 2 ribbons by folding up some plastic and taped them to these 2 front pieces of the top, and we're done! As you can see, I just wrapped it around my rib cage and tied it up at the back. Ooh, and I also had enough left over to make a pretty little choker necklace for my baby Brienne. She's so pretty! Now for my dress. I took these plastic bags and pasted them together to make a huge rectangular sheet. I folded it in half and cut a small piece aside, leaving me with 2 rectangular sheets. Next, I took the big rectangular piece and folded it and taped it. That done, I pasted the small piece to one side of the big rectangular sheet. Then I took 3 plastic sheets and taped them together, folded it to make my belt. For my top, I took the biggest bag and cut out the handles and the bottom. Next, I folded it to a particular shape and taped it. I used the same method used to make the belt to make the straps for my top. Next, I ran an elastic through my top. Then to secure my dress, I taped it to my waist from one end and taped it to itself on the other and taped the belt on top of the skirt. And here's the final look. And that's it for this video. We really hope you enjoyed it, and as always, let us know what you think in the comments. Special thanks to DJ CatxLizz for letting us use this sick beat. Check out the full song over here. To subscribe to our channel, click here. Also, check out our other DIY videos over here. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay poppin'. Lots of love, and smiles, and sparkles. See you next time. Bye!